Hello, I'm a senior accountant here at Smart Business Solutions, and thank you for joining me today. So, what happens when a customer or client makes a typo when making a payment to you and it doesn't quite match the invoice you've sent out to them? So, as you can see here, I'm using Xero. I'm in my bank reconciliation screen, and I am going to show you how to record a payment where it doesn't quite match your invoice. So, I'm going to be looking at this payment here from the 3rd of September for $6,187.50 from Ridgeway University. What we're going to do here, because we can see it doesn't have that nice green match like it does for this payment down here, we're going to use the find and match feature. So from here, we can search our customer, Ridgeway University. You can use either their name or you can use their reference that they've used in the invoice, and that should hopefully drop down the invoices outstanding for that particular payment. As you can see here, our original invoice was for $6,188. So basically, they've underpaid us by $1. You might find this happens quite often where they've made typos. It could be $1 to $10 or more. And then it's entirely up to you whether or not you go back to them and chase the, underpayment amount. But for $1, we're not going to go back to them. We're just going to accept we've lost $1 and write it off in the system. So by ticking this still marks the invoice as paid as full. In that way, we're not going to have $1 just sitting on that invoice as outstanding, and we're happy to accept we're not going to get that dollar. So once we've ticked the invoice that we're marking as paid, we're going to use this adjustments feature. So as you can see here, there's two different options. There's a minor adjustment, which this is, but we're actually going to use this bank fee feature. By using bank fee, it just allows you to add a few more details than that minor adjustment. So we're still going to record the underpayment and who it was from, so Ridgeway University. And like I said, the bank fee allows you to add more details. So this way we can actually record the correct account we want that underpayment to go to. So in this scenario here, we only have the one sales account, but if you have multiple, you can actually just open up the invoice that you're applying the payment against and determine what revenue account the underpayment should go to. So what we want to do is actually record that underpayment against the original sales account. That way it just records the correct net amount of income that you've received for that particular job / revenue account. So going back, we're confident that it's just going to go to the 200 sales account, making sure that we've entered that sales account. And then we need to record the amount. Nice and easy for us because Xero does calculate the underpayment down here. So it's just $1 in this scenario. And then we can hit reconcile. Had this been an overpayment by $1, you can do it in the exact same way, or you can actually record it as an overpayment in the system. And that way you can always offset future invoices by any overpayments that you have recorded against that contact. Any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.